Whoa, sweet man cave.
Thanks. Serious upgrade.
How'd you pay for all this?
I got a home equity line of credit from Figure. I was approved in 5 minutes and had funding in 5 days.
Wow, that fast and easy?
Yep, the application is 100% online, plus no out-of-pocket costs. Just fast access to the cash you need.
How do I get started?
Go to figure.com and get that serious upgrade. Figure Lending LLC, DBA Figure, Equal Opportunity Lender, NMLS 1717824. Terms and conditions apply. Visit figure.com for more information. For licensing information, go to www.nmlsconsumeraccess.org.
It's no secret that our people can throw down in the kitchen. These 3 Black cookbooks span the diaspora with tantalizing recipes worth rolling up our sleeves to make. This is 2 Minute Black History. What you didn't learn in school. There's nothing like a good meal, and our food always tastes like a comforting call home. From New Orleans to Nigeria, these Black cookbooks span the flavors of the diaspora and deserve a place in your kitchen. Let's start with the Edna Lewis cookbook. Edna Lewis was doing farm to table before it was a trend. Growing up in rural Virginia's small community Freetown, an enclave built by the formerly enslaved, Lewis was used to hunting, fishing, and farming for her food. In her most iconic cookbook, the recipes are organized seasonally, inspiring us to tap into our ancestral traditions of eating and cooking as close to the land as possible. Next, we have Cooking for the Culture. New Orleans native Toya Bowdy's cookbook is a beautiful ode to the Crescent City. With recipes like gumbo and yagamine, her work brings a mix of Creole classics that we all know and a love for adventurous dishes worth trying for the first time. And then there's Africana. Africana takes readers' taste buds on a flight through the African continent, from Nigeria to Madagascar. Food writer Loreto Uma Shaler highlights the diversity of African cooking traditions. Good food is a beautiful way for our people to come together because there's nothing like gathering around a lovely prepared meal with your people. Cooking is a great way to keep us connected to ourselves and our ancestral traditions. In order to move towards the future, you've got to look to the past. This has been 2 Minute Black History, a podcast by Push Black. If you enjoyed this episode and want to show your support, please rate and subscribe to our podcast. Together, let's celebrate and honor the legacy of Black history.